Hello friends, now it's a requested video for Botany and Biotechnology students of Sem 1. Model questions on subject Introduction to Biochemistry. Section A. 1. 1. Two stereoisomers of a given sugar that differs only in the configuration about the carbonyl carbon atoms are known as A. Asymmetric carbon atom, B. Anomers, C. Enantiomers, D. Cis-trans isomers. 2. Shingosine is the backbone of all the following except A. Cerebroside, B. Ceramide, C. Sphingomyelin, D. Lecithin. 3. The vitalistic theory became untenable by the works of A. Wohler, B. Lavoisier, C. Scheeled, D. Helmont. 4. Which among the following is a non-essential fatty acid? A. Oleic acid, B. Linoleic acid, C. Arachidonic acid, D. Linolenic acid. 2. 5. Which among the following is not a polymer of glucose? A. Cellulose, B. Inulin, C. Glycogen, D. Dextrin. 6. An idea which is still under the process of active testing. Which may or may not be A. Hypothesis, B. Law, C. Theory, D. Model. 7. Mucic acid is produced by the oxidation of A. Glucose, B. Galactose, C. Fructose, D. Mannose. 8. A glycosaminoglycan which serves as a lubricant. A. Hyaluronic acid, B. Chondroitin sulphate, C. Keratan sulphate, D. Heparin. 3. 9. Esterification of cholesterol occurs at carbon position at 1b, 2c, 3d, 4. 10. Precision is A. Correctness of a result, B. Reproducibility of a result, C. Both A and B, D. None. 11. Which among the following is a trisaccharide? A. Lactose, B. Cellulose, C. Gentiblosed, D. Melezitose. 12. Which among the following gives the same zeros ozone? A. Glucose, galactose, xylose, B. Glucose, galactose, maltose, C. Glucose, fructose, mannose, D. Glucose, sucrose, lactose. IV 13. The common precursor for prostaglandins, thromboxanes and leukotrienes is A. Stearate, B. Palmitate, C. Arachidonate, D. Oleic. 14. The linkage region between glycosaminoglycan and protein consists of A. Glu-gal-gal, B. XYL-gal-gal, C. Asp-glu-gal, D. Gal-XYL-gal. 15. Calculate the pH of 10 to 5 NHCl. A 3b, 5c, 2.5d, 1.5. Section B. Answer any 8 questions. 17. Define acids and bases according to Bronsted theory. 18. Explain mutarotation. 19. Define molality and molarity. 20. What happens when a cell is placed in a hypertonic B isotonic solution? 21. What is acid value and its significance? 22. Give the structure of lactose and sucrose. 23. Distinguish between lyophilic and lyophobic colloids. 24. Differentiate between theory and hypothesis. 25. What are phospholipids and their biological functions? 26. What are essential fatty acids? 27. State Van 't Hoff's law of osmotic pressure. 28. How are sugar acids formed? Section C. Answer any 5 questions. 29. Write short note on types of knowledge. 30. Explain hypothetico-deductive model. 31. Explain Donnan-membrane equilibrium and its biological significance. 32. Write a short essay on lipoproteins. 33. What are the requirements for planning an experiment? 34. Describe the chemistry and functions of cholesterol. 35. Distinguish between starch and glycogen. 36. Write a short note on prostaglandins. Section D. Answer any 2 questions. 37. Elaborate on the various experimental approaches to study biochemical process. 38. Give an account of the classification and biological functions of lipids. 39. Describe the chemistry and functions of glycosaminoglycans. Thank you all for watching. Keep supporting us. Please like,